So he can. And then like,
Yeah.
so like, each part is getting paid on.
Anyways, let's do the last
see.
one.
Super interesting.
Okay. Story problem. Best thing ever.
What
Cool.
kind of uniform with?
Like a background.
This is why we need it.
Right. See, Tracy's on me. That's why we do all these story problems.
Yes, because I always want to know how wide the deck encompasses.
Hey, is this when we use this down here? Here. Is this when we use? Is this when we use this part again?
Yeah, it's something like that. We're not adding like the same length to the width and length. We have a whole like rim around the pool. So like this is my pool. I have this rectangle all the way around it. So this guy is my pool deck. That's what they're seeing. Yeah. Cool. So our pool is 20 feet by 15 feet. After the deck is built, a total of 414 square feet will be occupied. So the entire shebang is 414 square feet. Okay, so we know the area of a rectangle is 10 times width. So how can I write an expression for this entire length here? Any ideas?
No.
Well, I know the middle part will be 20, right? Okay. But what's like from here to here and there to there? Well, I don't know if I'm building the width being all that. No, yay big. Okay. We're gonna say it's like X big. Okay, that's what I'm trying to find is that width. So we're gonna make it the variable. So how can I write an expression with X, 20 and X?
20 plus X.
20 plus 2X, yeah. So I have both sides. And I can do the same thing for this little width here. That middle portion is 15. But then from here to here, and here to there. Yeah, these are both X's. Again, that's the width. So 15 plus 2. Well, you know, the area was 414. So there's my equation that I need to solve. Woo! Yep. Okay.
Just do the distribution.
Right. So distribute 20 times 15 is. Okay. Alright.
300.
300. And 20 times 2x. 2x times 15.
30.
2x times 2x. Okay.
Combine my terms. 300 plus 70.
Or
X
you
plus
can
40.
split it.
I need it to equal 0 first before I can do that. Yeah, so I'm gonna subtract 414. What's 300 minus 414?
Negative 100.
Okay, and I'm gonna write that over here. I like to have my things in order. So my X squared first. Yep. When it's not in order, it just looks weird to me. So. Okay, these look like really large numbers. Can I? Yeah, divide it down so they're smaller.
You can take 4 out. Because they're all even numbers.
Yeah, can I take 4 out of 70?
It's an even number that's divisible by 2.
This is divisible by 2. This is divisible by 4.
By a lot.
Watch it.
Dang,
No, you can't.
None.
Two.
So we're gonna divide everything by 2. Divide 2 to both sides.
$57.
So I mean, they're a little smaller.
Helps.
It helps a little bit because when we do AC method, then our A times C isn't super large. So 57 times 2 would be negative 114, right? Okay, so figure out what 2 numbers that one side of that, and that's 35. Oh, so we have like 1 and 114, 2 and 57, 3 and
38. 3 and 38.
sorry.
Yep.
Dang it. Oh no, that's the right one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So then 3 has to be negative?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we write as like 2x squared minus 3x plus 38x minus 57. Gosh, I'm making myself all confused too. Okay, good enough. What can I take out?
Confuse her. Confuse
Yeah, for some reason I thought my B value was 57. I'm like, that's not but we can take an x out, correct? And then what's left over?
2x. Minus.
Now what can I take out? 38 and 57. So technically,
Something to make it equal 2x minus 3.
right, so we want to make it 2x minus 3. So what's 38 divided by 2? Figure out the number in front of it.
18. 19.
19. Okay, so then in factored form, this looks like x plus 19, and then 2x minus 3. Almost there. We can set both of them equal to 0,
And so
and solve. So x is negative 19, and the other one is 1.5. So what was x representing? Do you remember? Back to the original
the
problem.
amount that was left.
Yeah, so it was like the width, our pool deck. So which one of these makes sense? 1.5. I'm pretty sure it was in feet. I can't have a negative uniform width, so that one's just mixed out. Yep. So that's my actual answer. Sweet. Now we're doing homework time.
Razors.
Nice graded your quizzes. Unbelievable. From last week.
Oh, I didn't care.
Yeah, I don't want to see it.
No, all good thing we can do.
Look at all that work just for a problem.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah,
Wait, you want these?
Yeah, if you're not gonna correct it.
I want these things back.
Yep.
Can you record?
Yeah. I probably should.